How do I reset my Honeywell thermostat if it's unresponsive?
Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to reset your unresponsive Honeywell thermostat. We all know that thermostats can sometimes stop working as expected, and resetting your device is often the first step towards troubleshooting.
What will you need?
For this process, you'll only need a small pointed object like a paperclip or a pen, as well as a bit of patience.
Identifying your thermostat model.
Honeywell has several thermostat models, and each may require a different method of resetting. You can generally find the model number on the back of your thermostat. Knowing your model will make the process smoother.
Initiating a factory reset.
Most Honeywell thermostat models follow similar steps. Let's take a look at the process. 1. Turn off your HVAC system. This will prevent any sudden changes in temperature during the process. 2. Locate the reset button. It's usually a small hole that you can find on the front of the thermostat, though its exact location can vary depending on the model. 3. Press and hold the reset button. Use your pen or paperclip to do this. Hold the button down for about 5 to 10 seconds. 4. Wait for the thermostat to restart. This may take a few minutes. You'll know the process is complete when the thermostat screen comes back on. Remember, if you're unable to find the reset button, or your model does not have one, refer to the user manual that came with your thermostat or visit the Honeywell website for specific instructions for your model.
After the reset.
After the reset, your thermostat will return to its default factory settings. This means you'll need to reprogram your temperature settings, as well as the date and time. It's a good practice to note down your preferred settings before the reset. And that wraps up our guide on resetting your unresponsive Honeywell thermostat. Remember, if you continue to experience problems after resetting your thermostat, it may be time to call in a professional for help. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.